I don't think freelancing is for me. I mean, look at Upwork and Fiverr, they're literally oversaturated. And in particular, if you lost your job to the pandemics and you have a family to provide for, how do you even compete with this number of experienced professionals who have all the portfolios and experiences and stuff? It seems impossible. And I think freelancing is overemphasized by YouTubers and TikTokers speaking about, these side hustles and gigs that brought them 6 figures. You gotta understand that freelancing takes time to build the trust within the community, to drive the sales, to build the actual skill to be able to provide those services. It's not that easy. And not everybody's talking about that. Not everybody's talking about the fact that freelancing takes a whole lot of sales, marketing, and self-branding. And those are standalone skills that you gotta learn somewhere. So if you feel like freelancing is too much for you at this moment, or if you're looking for a career change or a way to get into the tech industry, I would recommend you seriously consider full-time remote jobs. The pandemic has forced lots of companies to reconsider the ways they work, and as a result, they opened up their job opportunities to remote candidates, local as well as global. Plus, according to this recent survey done by Bankrate, we're expecting a large amount of people resigning and changing jobs in the next 12 months, which will mean a lot of vacant spots available for you to apply for. And 55% of people participating in the survey mentioned that they are willing to search for a full-time remote job, which will mean that more companies are going to be forced to open up their positions to fully remote applicants. For today, that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and if my thoughts resonate with you, give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you soon.